In this video, we will learn how AI tools can optimize your journey with QuickBooks. QuickBooks Online QBO is one of the most widely used bookkeeping software around the world. With an easy-to-navigate design and a handful of features, QBO fulfills the accounting needs of firms of all sizes. With the rise in AI technologies, QBO has also added a series of built-in AI features to enhance user experience. Beyond these features, we will learn how Sarah, an entrepreneur, can use external AI tools like ChatGPT to improve her interaction with QBO. Accelerating business setup in QBO with AI. For new QBO users like Sarah, AI offers a quick solution to generate the documents which are required to set up a company account. Sarah runs an event management company, and as an AI-powered entrepreneur, she has used generative AI tools to generate company logo and design marketing material. Now she must formalize the accounting process, and to begin, she needs a chart of accounts. Many entrepreneurs and accountants follow the default chart of accounts for the sake of ease, often compromising on the unique needs of their businesses. Consequently, sooner or later, they have to make changes, which is a time-consuming process. This is where we can use Gen AI to draft a chart of accounts which matches your business needs. Open ChatGPT. Type in the following prompt. You are a chartered accountant serving small businesses. Your task is to draft a chart of accounts according to the attached format for a small event management company based in Maryland. Ask me 3 questions, and based on my responses, draft a chart of accounts. The chart shouldn't be generalized and should match the unique business needs. The output should be a downloadable CSV file. AI responds with 3 questions, asking about standard expenses, assets, liabilities, and services details. Enter the details and proceed. We now have a downloadable CSV file. Click Download and open the file. This is the step where you need to double-check and rectify errors, if any. Now open QBO. Go to the Chart of Accounts page. Here we can see the default chart. Let's add the custom chart we've just made with AI. Browse the file. Move to the next step. Verify duplicates. Moving on. Sarah's customized AI-enabled chart of accounts has now been added to QuickBooks. Generating supplier list with AI. QuickBooks allows users to either upload supplier list or manually enter each supplier. Now let's see how we can leverage AI in this step. Sarah opts for uploading a supplier list. For this, she has already downloaded the supplier list template from QuickBooks. This is the template. She has to populate it with information relevant to her business. Notice that the template has more than 10 columns. Filling in this information manually can take hours of forward and backward scrolling. Let's use AI to automate this step. Over here, Sarah has a name list of all the suppliers she has been working with since the inception of Maryland events. The list contains the name and website. We will use this list as the basis for prompting AI. Now, open ChatGPT. Enter the following prompt. You are a data entry expert. Your task is to make a table with the information mentioned on the websites of the vendors listed below. Here we have enlisted 7 vendor sites. Next is the output format. The table format should be as follows. Column 1, name. Column 2, company. Column 3, email. Column 4, phone. Column 5, mobile. Column 6, fax. Column 7, website. Column 8, street. Column 9, city. Column 10, province, region, or state. Column 11, postal code. Column 12, country. Column 13, date. Column 14, tax ID number. Important guidelines. Search thoroughly. Explore every page of the websites mentioned above, especially Contact, About, and Footer sections. Look for multiple locations, more than one phone number, emails, an office, address listed in footers or headers. Based on these websites, email address column must not be left blank. Do not skip fields just because they're not on the main contact page of the websites mentioned above. Check entire site, including social media links for email or phone visibility, PDF menus, or downloadable contact info. If a vendor has multiple addresses, phone numbers, or emails on the websites mentioned above, list all separated by slashes. Leave fields blank only if the data truly cannot be found anywhere on the website. Enter the first vendor starting in row 2 and match the exact column order and format of the Excel template. There are 7 suppliers in total. Complete data entry for each of them. Do not leave any supplier. Date in the template means the date when the company was made. It can be found in the About page. Let's explain the prompt. Notice that the prompt starts with the assigning of a persona. It then mentions the main task, enclosed in delimiters indicating a separate section. Next, the output format is given. We've mentioned the total number of columns as well as the column name. Moving on, the instructions are listed in a way that anticipates the site complexity. It also instructs the format for multi-value fields, that is adding slashes. At the end, it mentions the number of suppliers to set clear expectations of the size of output. Once entered, the AI generates a tabular response. Remember, one way of assuring accuracy is to break down complex tasks into discrete steps. Here we have gathered the information first, and now we will extract it. Type in a prompt asking for a downloadable format. Download the document. Open it. It is evident that ChatGPT has done a great job. Most of the required information has been gathered. Moreover, AI has followed the specific instruction to add slashes to distinguish multiple values like the ones in the email and phone column. Let's perform a quick quality check. Over here we have the supplier list given to AI. Scanning the 2 documents shows that the vendor names are indeed accurate. The response is arranged in the exact same order as the one mentioned in the prompt. Secondly, we can also cross-check the websites to ensure that information is collected from the right sources. This seems right too. Within a few clicks and a carefully drafted prompt, Sarah's vendor list is now ready to be uploaded into QuickBooks. Categorizing transactions in QBO with AI. Now it is time for Sarah to upload transactions to QBO. As soon as she uploads the transactions, she notices that the record requires verification. All the transactions are uncategorized. Download the document. This is a common challenge for bookkeepers as it requires time and attention to detail. The task becomes demanding if the transaction frequency is high. Let's see how Sarah can use ChatGPT to accelerate the process. Open ChatGPT and enter the following prompt. You are a chartered accountant at a small event management company. Your task is to suggest account categories for QuickBooks for each of the transaction type given below, and then enlist the transaction titles copied from the bank statement. Overall, we have 65 transactions. Ask me questions if something is not clear. Press Enter. You can see that AI responds with categorization of most of the transaction and asks 3 questions about petty cash withdrawals, software subscriptions, and vendor payments. Notice that this back and forth questioning was instructed in the initial prompt to achieve higher accuracy in the output. Let's respond to each question according to the best of our knowledge. It is advised to respond in the same order in which the questions were asked instead of just responding with a single paragraph. This is the final categorization of all the transactions. Here, human judgment is necessary for assessing the output. It is highly recommended to quickly review the response before acting on it. But look at what we have right here. ChatGPT has also added suggestions for a cleaner QuickBooks record. Assuming the persona of a chartered accountant, ChatGPT suggests creating parent categories by splitting income, cost of goods sold, and expenses into small subcategories. It is good advice because this would ultimately enhance precision whenever we generate reports and perform analysis. This is exactly why assigning persona to AI is important while generating prompts. This way, AI can pick up areas for improvement which might have been overlooked by the human eye. Now it has become easy to categorize each expense in QBO. Let's complete the task. Note that once we assign a specific category to an expense, the QBO algorithm would automatically detect it and suggest a rule. AI's categorization and QBO's rule creation accelerates the otherwise gruesome task of categorizing every single entry. Sarah has now completed the verification process. Looking forward, generating supplier lists and categorization of transactions are just a few of the many ways in which AI tools can improve your bookkeeping with QBO. Out of these countless possibilities, some are as follows: generating customer lists based on the data available online, performing anomaly detection through AI tools before uploading a bank statement in QBO, visualizing income and expense reports generated by QBO, extracting insights and identifying outliers in transaction reports generated by QBO. Conclusion. This concludes the section. In this demonstration, we explored how AI tools can effectively enhance your QuickBooks Online experience by minimizing manual data entry and streamlining processes with intelligent solutions. AI tools not only enhance the accuracy and consistency of data entered in QuickBooks Online, but also unlock advanced ways to interpret and analyze the reports it generates, driving smarter decisions at both ends of the accounting workflow.
Are you happy with this training? Make sure to subscribe for more great content. Visit the Simon Says It channel, explore our videos and training sessions, and decide what you want to learn next.